Hello guys, welcome to our channel, The Viva Family. Today my family and I are going to the park to put water to the trees because they're dying of hot weather in Michigan. And right now we are going to buy buckets in the store.
Don't show me, Mom. I don't want. Are you put some Instagram and YouTube?
Now my mom is putting the buckets and now we're done. So we are going to pick my dad and my brothers.
Okay, Mom.
Now we are here at the park. Can you see all of the dry grass here? It's a lot of dry grass. And we also brought our bikes so we can ride with it after we're done putting water and all of the trees, or some of the trees. Now I'm going to show you a specific tree that is really dry, and it's this tree. It's really dry, and sometimes when you actually think about it, it's kind of sad because some of the trees don't get water and sun, so they die. And it's pretty sad, but it's happy that we're putting water in.
Like you're in the video of baseball.
I know, pero more you guys.
Yeah, but you still have to be in it though. That's why it's called family. Get your bucket. My favorite color is black. Which tree? The orange tree. So I'm gonna put this bucket of water into that dry tree. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna go again.
Now I'm gonna put water to one of the trees.
Al pasito, échalo. Al pasito, no, not like that. Es al pasito, que se vaya. No, más abajo, Joe, más abajo, como te enseñé, abajo. Down. Down. Yeah, al pasito. Porque también si le echas así de toda, se viene hasta acá, mira. And then...
I can't carry it. I can't carry it.
Nomás no, que no se haga dirty ahí.
Now I'm
Yes,
gonna
Masaya.
put water in the bucket so they can
Yeah,
put them
yeah,
in the
yeah,
trees. Not gonna lie, the buckets were pretty heavy, full with water.
Mom, you can help too.
Now Joey's gonna put water on one of the trees. And Elias is now going to put water in the buckets. And he's still wearing his Spider-Man helmet. And there's me, taking some buckets to the trees.
No, porque you're gonna take you already did it twice.
It's actually really good that we're helping the trees because they give us oxygen and shade. If we don't have trees or plants, then we wouldn't even be on this planet or Earth. And I was just putting water on that.
Elias, wait.
Now I'm going to put a second bucket on that tree. Now my mom is going to put some water in that tree. And now Liz is going to put some water in this tree. Then I'm going to put some water in the bag.
Acércate para que sepa dónde le estamos echando el agua, mamá.
Kind of satisfying. Don't you guys think?
Ahora escucho.
I can't.
Now Joey's also gonna put some water in that bucket, or that bag, I meant to say.
Elías, hazte un lado, papá. Hazte para allá. Elías. No, bolsa. Tiene una
Now Evelyn
like this.
is riding Joey's bike,
No creas que
and
la bolsa está
she has
round,
water in
No
that
le vayas a
bucket
echar
that she's gonna
adentro.
take to one of the
Porque
trees,
se
so
va.
she's gonna ride it over
Es
there.
una boquita.
Okay. I'll look for it. But I'll be back.
Now
Stop
she's
recording
gonna
me,
ride
Mom.
it over
Better not
there
this in the video.
to the other tree.
Ahí está.
Now all of us are gonna get some buckets to go put in the
Agárralos
trees.
ahí, mamá.
Now I'm riding my bike and Elias. Now it's me and Joey riding our bike. And there's Elias. There I'm gonna put some water in the bucket. Or, not bucket, I meant the bag. Now everyone's gonna put some water in that little bag.
Girl, it's a Villa family. Hey, do mine.
Ponlo en la paro.
We found a new place to get water from. Now Joey's gonna go put water in that one. The same one that Evelyn was putting in earlier.
I need to go to my bag.
Elias is gonna do that one.
Evelyn, no. What? No. Don't write it.
Now we found another place to put some in.
Ok, dale pues.
So yeah.
Told you. ¿Qué te dije?
This dude is in the way.
¿Sí lo grabaste? Oh my God. Ahí déjala para. ¿Dónde vas? That one is yours. Take it. Take it that way.
Where?
Para los trees, allá arriba.
What tree?
Allá uno que está arriba.
I got one. Here.
Bro, stop.
Look at the water soaking in the dirt. That's really cool. Now I want to show you guys this beautiful river. It's so beautiful. Like, you guys can't lie. It's really nice to look at and view. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys loved that video. Drop a like and subscribe. Be sure to check out our other videos. Bye!